Yo guys, what's up? It's Ricky from Dance is Dope, and today we're doing a hype beginner house dance combo part 3. Now yes, we've done part 1 and part 2 of this, but don't worry, you can learn this as a standalone routine. I'll have part 1 and part 2 linked in the description. Then I'll also be releasing a full routine video where we'll hit that whole routine and we'll recap it all, yeah? Boom. So there we go, let's get straight into part 3. So don't worry if you haven't learned part 2, no biggie, we'll just start from the end of part 2, yeah? So in part 2 you finished off with a hop, tap, down after sidewalks, yeah? From here, you're gonna go 2 skates. So left leg is gonna come up, you're gonna skate it round. Right foot comes up, skate it round, and you jump both feet out, tap, and come down, yeah? So we've just finished here with left leg up. So you go hop, skate, out, tap, down, yeah? From here, you're gonna hop both feet in, you're gonna twist, 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 and bring your leg out. Then other side, twist, 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 and bring your leg out. So what you're doing here, after you've done hop, tap, down, you're bringing right foot in, you're twisting to your right. Then you're going to twist to the other side, then right foot's going to come out as you twist. Then you're going to bring that foot in, bring them feet together as you twist to your left, twist to the right, then twist to the left as the left foot comes out. Yeah, nice. One more time, then we'll keep moving. So we've finished here. We go skate, skate, out, tap, out. Twist, twist, out, twist, twist, out. From here, you're going to do a loose legs. So you're going to step, step, in. So that's the left foot that steps in front, right foot steps at the back, and left foot steps in. Then you're going to kick right foot out, kick left foot out, and then hop into that foot. So you'll hop on that left foot and hop into it, yeah? Nice, okay. Slow from the start of that section. This last bit is quite technical, but it'll be a good challenge, especially if you're a beginner, yeah? So we've just finished out here, left leg up. We go hop, skate, out, tap, down. Twist, twist, out, twist, twist, out. Loose legs. Step left, kick, right, left, hop onto it. From here, you're stepping back with right foot. Left foot is skating back. You hop it out. Now what you're going to do from here is you're going to drop onto your right knee. Right hand comes down. Left heel is going to kick, round, you're going to spin out, finish here. Yeah, nice, there's your finishing position, that spin down, good. Okay, let's recap that all nice and slow from the top. Make sure you stick along to the end because we'll do it all with the music a good 3 times, yeah? So let's recap slow from the top, we'll go fast, then we'll go 3 times with the beat, yeah? Nice, so we've just finished the last one. Part 2, hop, tap, down, yeah? From here we go, skate, skate, out, tap, out. Twist, twist, out. Twist, twist, out. Loose legs. Step left, kick, right, left, in. You slide it back, jump it out, right knee and right hand down, kick left towards the front, finish it out. Boom, there we go, nice. Okay, let's go a little bit quicker, and then we'll go with the beat 3 times, yeah? A little bit faster from them skates. So we go 5, 6, 7, 8, skate, skate, out, tap, out. Twist, twist, out. Twist, twist, out. Loose legs. 1, 2, 3. Shuffle. Kick, kick, in. Slide, back, spin, down. Boom. Nice. Okay, if you're struggling with any of that, do not worry. Rewind it back to the beginning. Go over it. If you're good with that, let's go 3 times with the beat, yeah? Let's go. Okay, let's go. I'll count us in. Make it nice and big, yeah? Lots of bounce. 5, 6, 7, 8.
This is us in the club, we shake it up. Make tracks, take that, take you up. Move back, we got beats, we just love to see y'all bounce and shake it up.
Hey, nice. Okay, 2 more times. I'll count us in. Nice and big. Lots of bounce, yeah? 5, 6, 7, 8.
This is us in the club, we shake it up. Make tracks, take that, take you up. Move back, we got beats, we just love to see y'all bounce and shake it up.
Nice, good. Okay, let's go 1 more time. Make this your biggest one. Lots of bounce, yeah? Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8.
This is us in the club, we shake it up. Make tracks, take that, take you up. Move back, we got beats, we just love to see y'all bounce and shake it up.
Hey, nice. Okay, so there it is. There's your hype beginner house dance routine part 3. Now that one is beginner, but maybe intermediate. That end part is quite technical, yeah? Hope you guys enjoyed the one today. As I said, part 1 and 2 are linked in the description, so click down there, jump on them, learn them. I guarantee you'll like them. If you did enjoy today's routine, be sure to hit that like button, smash the subscribe button to join the Dances Dope family. Hit that bell notification button to keep up to date with all the uploads. And if there's anything that you want to say, you guys just want to chat or want to give me any feedback, leave a comment down below. I do get back to every single one of you guys, so thank you. Also, click here to jump on the channel, see what we've got going on. Click here to jump straight onto your next tutorial and keep learning, yeah? Thank you all, appreciate you all. See you in the next one.